how's it going? Long time no see, it's been a while. Hope you're all keeping well and safe. Today I'm doing a video of me and my brother, Rickalls Outdoors. He's a YouTuber too. And we're going to do a wild camp in the woodlands. It's going to be my first experience doing a wild camp in woodlands. Bit nervous, but I'm excited. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. And yeah, let's crack on. I'm knackered now, guys and girls. So we finally made it to a spot, nice spot where we're gonna put our gear up. I'm most likely gonna put my tent there, and I think my brother is gonna put his there. So there and there. Yeah, it's quite a nice bit of woodland. Not bad at all. And there's Rickalls getting some wood for the fire later on. Choppy chop chop. Alright, guess better start unpacking. Right everybody, we've got our tents up and there's my tent. It's crazy, it sounds like we're so near to the main road, but we're actually like miles away. It's kind of crazy how sound travels. But this is my new French army tent thing my brother got me. Much appreciate. Let's have a little looky inside. Let's get the torch on. Ta-da! So it's quite cool. We've got some air fence here which you can pull up if you don't want it. There's my bed for the night. Normal sleeping bag really. Got a blow up mat, self-inflated one. And I've got this under just for extra warmth. I do have over there some like jumpers and stuff just in case it gets a bit chilly. But all in all, it's quite comfy and cozy. And then that's my view. Right, I'm on a little adventure in the woods. The sun is going down over there, so I've got a little bit of time before it gets too dark in here. But yeah, it's a very nice bit of woodland. I've got my camera on, in case I see anything worth taking pictures of and shit, which I'll put in the video as well. Some of you don't know, I also do streaming now on a different platform. Some people thought when I said streaming through my Instagram thing, because I do live stream on there sometimes, people thought I meant streaming on YouTube. No, I stream on a platform called Twitch. So I'll put that down below as well, the link, if you want to follow and stuff there, you're welcome to. I'm a little bit nervous, I ain't gonna lie, and I'm sorry if I'm talking really fast. That's what happens when I get anxious and nervous. And I'm excited, I'm very excited. But I watch way too many horror movies, like The Blair Witch, and I keep hearing weird noises, so I don't know. I might not sleep very well tonight because, you know, hearing some noises and shit, I might be a bit like, woo. Alright, I'm going to turn the camera around and film a bit, so yeah. Boop, just like that. Some mushrooms. Ooh. Alright, I'm back at camp. There's my brother. Got a little stove on the go there. What you cooking up, Ricky Poo?
Sausage casserole.
Ooh.
I've never tried it before, so I'll let you know how I'll get on.
Looks nice. And there we go. That's my dinner for tonight. And there we go, got my all-day breakfast. Nom 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 nom. Looks nasty, but it is pretty good. Good morning, Earthlings. It's about 7 in the morning. I slept alright, woke up a few times. Yeah, it's nice and warm. Alright, let's go. Good morning. So I'm just boiling up some water to make a cup of tea. And there's my brother over there starting to pack up. I think he woke up like an hour before me. It's like 7 AM. Yeah, it was an interesting night, a bit restless, but to be expected. Yeah, it didn't rain or anything like that, but I was pretty comfy, nice and warm. So, yep, Chrissy approves of this tent. Thank you, Ricky. Alright, everybody. So, that's all my stuff packed up. Leave no trace. As you can see, you can't really see where the fire was now. Time to head home. Thank you, everybody, for watching my camping trip. And I hope you enjoyed it. Big thumbs up if you did. If not, that's okay. But yeah, hopefully see you lot again soon. Hopefully. Sorry it's been a while. But yeah, with the craziness going on in the world, please do keep safe and all that, and keep well. Much peace and love. You guys take care, and I'll see you guys again hopefully soon. Bye! We can't leave you guys behind, can we now?